In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new menu item in the Doordash merchant portal. Let's start right at the beginning. Open your browser and log into the Doordash merchant portal with your merchant account. Make sure you're in the correct store location if you manage more than one, so the new item appears on the right menu. Once you're in, head to the menu section and select Menu Manager. This is your control center for everything guests see in your app listing. If you don't see Menu Manager immediately, look for it in the left-hand navigation. Give the page a moment to load. Larger menus can take a few seconds. Now click the red plus add item button. This opens a pop-up where you'll build your new menu item. Think of this as the item's home base. Everything you add here is what customers will read and order from. Start with the basics. Enter the item name. Keep it clear and recognizable so customers can find it quickly. Next, add the price. Use the full amount and make sure it matches your in-store or POS pricing to avoid confusion. Then, write a helpful description. Aim for concise but informative. Call out key ingredients, flavor notes, portion size, and any dietary cues like spicy or vegetarian. Avoid using all caps or overly promotional language. Clarity is what helps customers decide fast. You can enhance your item with a few optional details that make a big difference. Add a photo to help it stand out. Use a well-lit image on a clean background that reflects the actual portion customers will receive. Assign the item to a category such as appetizers, mains, or beverages so it appears in the right section of your menu and is easy to browse. If the item supports choices, set up modifiers like extra toppings, sides, or preparation options. Keep modifiers organized, name them clearly, and set accurate prices for each add-on. This prevents accidental undercharging and keeps orders accurate in the kitchen. When everything looks good, click Save to publish the new menu item. In most cases, it will appear live in the app immediately or after a short processing delay. Before you finalize, take a moment to double-check spelling, pricing, and any modifiers. A quick review now prevents customer confusion and support requests later. That's it, your new item is live. Repeat the process for other dishes to keep your menu fresh and accurate. Thanks for watching and happy menu building in the Doordash merchant portal.